Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemisola and second time starting a YouTube channel. The first time was when I was in uni and I really got exhausted and I completely stopped recording videos and all that because I couldn't juggle school, business, professional exams together. But now I am ready to start content creation like very serious. Like content creation is something I love doing. I love creating content. I love literally filming things, and I just realized that time doesn't wait for anybody and there is no right time to do something. Just start. And that is why I'm starting a new YouTube channel afresh. So I really appreciate if you can follow me. You can follow me on my other socials. Subscribe to this channel. I promise it's going to be very, very exciting. Like it's going to be very, very interesting to follow me. I'm short of words, honestly, but yeah, I recently just moved to a new apartment here in Lagos. So just a brief introduction. My name is Kemisola. I'm a consultant in Lagos. I work 9 to 5 as a consultant in Lagos. I'm a Muslim and I recently moved to a new apartment, and yeah, I'm an introvert. I really don't like going out. My two obsessions, like I say every time, and people that know me know that my two obsessions are books and perfume. So yeah, just slices of my life, glimpses of my life here and there. I love cooking also, so you'll be seeing more of that on my channel. So if this resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like and share my videos so that we can add more people join the community. Yes. So I hope you enjoyed my apartment vlog that I filmed as much as I loved it when I filmed it and edited it. Thank you, and I look forward to your comments and your subscription to my channel. Bye.